Hi everyone, my name is Sir Waish, and today I have something very interesting to show you, so let's get started. We all at one point or another get these types of email that looks very beautiful and are well designed. But ever wondered how this are made? For a person to specifically design something like this and send it can be a tedious task. So for such tasks email marketing agencies put work in this, to design, manage and send such emails. But as I am from coding field, I always had a curiosity for how this can be done using code. So we know that Python already have libraries to send and manage SMTP-based emails. So here is the code for this, but firstly we need to quickly set up a password for the authentication so that email can be sent. To do this, go to Email Settings, then Security, then head over to Two-Step Verification. If you have not completed Two-Step Verification, complete it. Once complete, we will be presented with a window like this. Now here select a password option from the end of the page. Now here we will make an email key to use in our code. The key will look something like this. It should be of 16 characters. Copy this key and paste it in the code. Here we have pasted the key and also properly filled the sender's and receiver's email address. We can give multiple receivers at a time. This code can be accessed in my GitHub profile from the link in the description. Okay, so now firstly this is the web page that will be sent as it is in the form of an email body. This is just a basic code. And this HTML code is embedded in the Python file in the variable HTML content. Now let's run this code. We can see that the message that states that email is successfully sent is printed. Now here is the received mail. We can see that the page is looking exactly as we intended it to be. So this is how on a small level we can also send beautiful email advertisements or messages for a purpose. This will definitely make someone stand out in the crowd. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and share with others.